I am sorry, Zeke, but I am not putting up with that. Give me your sentence, which, yeah, but I'm not putting up with I'm not putting up with what you call it, like that. With water effects like that, that's... Not really, Eshin. I'm not really okay. I have been struggling with this plane all night. I had a tutorial from a friend earlier on, which went splendidly well. Obviously, he was the pilot. I was in the fucking jump seat, or the first operator. Are you serious? Hold that thought. Just hold that thought just a second. Something might be going right now. Is this seriously lining itself up? If this lines itself up, I'm going to kiss both my monitors. I'm going to find the person who made this aeroplane. I'm going to bitch slap him across the side of his head and then kiss him because he pissed me off, and then hopefully, if this works out, made me happy again. No, it's turned right again. Why? Why turn right? Stop it. Oh. Why? Like, turn left again. Yes, turn left. That's all you need to do. Just turn left. Line up with the runway. Good plane. Good aeroplane. I'll pat you on the back. There you go. Turn left. Please. Please turn left. Oh my god. Why is it always me that gets the fucking shit? I don't want to fly it manual because I can't see the airport. It seems to be doing itself now, but I'm not sure. Whoops, what did I click there? It does seem to be bringing it. Is it doing it? Is it? I'm sorry for the burping, but I am drunk, so yeah, whatever.
Localizer alive.
Localizer, yes. I've got the fucking localizer or something. So I click that. Do I start this now? I don't know. When do I fucking initiate the fucking thing to make it land itself? I've got a really itchy eyeball. Yeah, the second pilot is actually activated, but he's not doing anything at the minute. He's just like, just flashing. No matter how much I spam the thing, it doesn't work. But apparently, the localizer is a thing. So if I click this, nothing.
Light slow alive.
Oh, what? How do I? Oh no. Autopilot 2? Seriously?
Second autopilot is on.
Oh, are you joking me? And I didn't know about that. Yeah, that's one thing your best friend on... Yeah. Someone didn't tell me about that. Yeah. Thank you, Zinc. If you're watching this, lurking in lurk mode, thank you very much. You didn't tell me about that. So this is going to land itself now. Like obviously the autopilot has got control of the flaps and stuff. I mean, I don't mind taking manual control. I can control a plane. Like, I can control a plane to land it by myself, but I'm really wanting it to land itself. That would be a big achievement for me, because I'm used to like little VFR DA-42 twin stars and stuff, which you have to fly yourself most of the way.
Localizer captured.
Captured. Do I have to click anything? I've clicked approach. I clicked it quite a while back though. Do I click localizer again, or is it localizer and then approach? Alright, just leave everything, yeah? Right, cool. Sorry for my panic state. I'm just well, one, I'm quite drunk. Two, it's 6 a.m. in the morning, and three, I wanted to perfect this before I went to sleep. But actually there's a fourth one. I've got it on stream as well, so oh look, there's the airport. We used to seeing it from a much closer distance. Oh really?
Transition altitude.
Flaps 1 now, or I'm thinking
Speed
flaps
check.
1 now.
Flaps 2.
Oh, flaps 1 was already down. Oh, who the f did that? I'll do flaps 3 when we get to that purple dot, the purple thing.
Set barrel reference, Captain.
Barrel reference. I don't know what that is. I literally have no idea what that is. Do I have to put the gear down myself as well? I'm thinking that's...
Set barrel reference, Captain.
I don't know the barrel reference. I'm sorry, I don't know the barrel reference. Well, it's on one. I don't know what the barrow is. I don't even know what that means.
Set barrel reference, Captain.
Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know how to do that. You're gonna have to just bear with me and land. X-Phase. No, that doesn't do anything. 1022, that's what's up ahead, so that's what's up there. 102. Where do I put that? Oh, is it in here?
Check.
Right back in there, just in case I fucked something up changing it. There's a runway.
$2,500.
2,500. Thank you very much.
Glide slope captured.
Glide slope captured. So leave it. The gear isn't down yet. I'm thinking I should put the gear down. I'm gonna put the gear down, just in case. I'm not over the speed of the gear, so that's one thing I did.
Speed check, flaps 3.
Flaps 3.
Flaps full.
Speed check, flaps
Gear down.
Oh, now my co-pilot comes in. He's like, oh, flaps full, taking all the credit and shit.
Landing checklist.
Actually, Eshin should get all the
Landing
credit for
gear.
this. He helped me a
Down
huge
and locked.
bunch.
3 greens.
Ground spoilers.
All I need to do is, when she says retard, I pull me
Ground spoilers.
engines all the way back and press F2 as soon as we hit the floor to put the reversers on.
Ground spoilers.
Ground spoilers should be set.
Ground spoilers.
Oh shit. They're not set then. He should have done it for me, the fucking lazy ass
Ground
bastard.
spoilers.
Ground spoil. I have no idea where. I don't know where they are, so I'll have to set them myself.
Ground spoilers.
Shut the fuck up, woman. I'm trying to find out where they are.
Ground spoilers.
Spoilers.
Ground
Auto
spoilers.
brake. Shit.
100 above.
100 above.
Ground
Oh
spoilers.
no, this isn't good. Ground spoil. Are we captain, co-pilot? Fucking set them, man. What the fuck you playing?
Minimum.
Ground spoilers.
Continue.
Continue. Alright, whatever.
Ground spoilers.
Whatever. Speed brakes, where's that?
1000.
Ground
Yeah, I
spoilers.
can't- oh no, there.
Set.
Yeah,
Auto brakes.
right click. Right click. Oh, it shuts her up. Hopefully. No, Braden, there's going to be no rip here. Mr. Eshin over there, who's going to get mod after this because he's been such a beast and helping me out. I'm hands off. I'm going to put the cam on right now. Hands off the controls. This plane should land itself. All I have to do is, as soon as it touches down, I need to pull back on the throttle, which is just down here. Like, pull it right
500.
back. And then hold F2, which is over there as well, to enable the reverse thrust.
400.
I mean, look at this. I'm doing nothing. I'll do nothing. I'll just sit here, guys.
300.
Look at this. I'm the laziest pilot in the world. Laziest pilot in the world.
200.
Look at this. Just doing nothing. Just I can see the runway. Look, just doing this. No hands.
100. 70.
I don't look.
60,
No hands. Keep your hands
50.
here.
40.
Listen.
30.
Retard.
20. Retard. Retard.
That's when I pull back. Oh,
Ground
look at
spoilers.
that. Reverse thrust.
Reverse screen.
That's beautiful. I love that. Oh, that was beautiful. Holy shit, what the fuck's going on here? Why did it shoot off to the left? I'm not bothered, like, because that was so cool.
70 knots.
Apart from the veer off to the left, which I don't know why I did that, I'm not bothered though. That was cool. Eshin, you are a fucking beast. Without you, I would have been dead. Right now. I'll probably be dead in about an hour anyway when I've like had lack of sleep syndrome. Good night, Eshin, mate. Thank you very much. Next time you log in here, you will have a moderator because you're being such a beast of a help tonight. Thank you very much, mate.
After landing checklist.
Exterior lights.
Oh, that dude is awesome. Where the hell? He just came out of nowhere and started helping me out of nowhere. I was like, what the fuck?